Hello friends, welcome to the next session of Spoken Tamil class. Last class we began with very simple sentences, and in today's class we are just going to see how to ask some questions in Tamil. In today's class we can just go through all these WH questions and we can just see the translation for all these questions in Tamil so that we can just learn the real meaning or translation for all these WH words. In today's first sentence we can just see what is the translation for this word what. If you want to know what someone's father is doing or father's occupation, you'll be asking this question like this: what's your father, or what is your father's occupation? This can be asked in Tamil in this way: Unga appa enna seirar. This is the spoken Tamil, or we call it as பேச்சு Tamil. We can ask like this: Unga appa enna seirar. Enna means what. Formally we can ask un தந்தை என்ன வேலை செய்கிறார். Likewise, we can ask someone what their father's occupation is. If you want to know when someone will arrive to your home, you will be asking, when will you come? This can be translated in this way in Tamil. எப்போ வருவீங்க, or நீங்க எப்போ வருவீங்க. எப்போ means when. In Tamil, எப்போ means when. Likewise, we can know when someone will arrive to our home. If you want to inquire about someone's studies, you will be asking this question: how are you studying? This can be translated in Tamil in this way: எப்படி படிச்சிட்டு இருக்க. எப்படி means how. So in this way you can inquire someone about their studies and how it is going. If you want to ask someone the reason for coming late, if someone is arriving late to your class or function or whatever it may be, and if you want to know the reason, you will be asking, why are you late? This can be translated in Tamil in this way: ஏன் தாமதமா வர்ற. ஏன். ஏன் means why. ஏன் தாமதமா வந்த. தாமதம் means late. In this way we can know the reason, or we can question someone to know the reason why they are late. In next sentence we can see how to ask someone where their place of residence is. So to know someone's residence or place of living, we can ask like this: where do you live? Similarly in Tamil we can translate the same sentence like this: நீங்க எங்க வசிக்கிறீங்க. எங்க means where. So in this way we can translate the same question in Tamil, and we can ask the same question in Tamil to someone to know where they are living. In next sentence we can know how to ask someone to know their favorite tourist place. Okay, in vacation time they might visit, right? So in order to ask that, we will be asking, which is your favorite tourist place. Likewise we will be asking in English. The same can be translated in Tamil in this way: உங்களுக்கு பிடித்த சுற்றுலா தலம் எது. Or else in colloquial Tamil we will be asking like this: உனக்கு பிடிச்ச இடம் எது. Likewise we can ask someone in Tamil to know which is their favorite tourist place.